Hey there. Thanks for checking us out. My name's Alex, and the big question is, can someone who's failed in business, I've had numerous businesses that failed, personal bankruptcy, a cocktail lounge that went belly up. I was an over-the-road truck driver. I had anger management issues when I was a kid. I've been a whistleblower. Can somebody with that kind of background eventually succeed and, more important, teach you guys how to become a professional trader? Well, there's no question that we can do that, because guess what? I turned my life around and no one would hire me anyway. I had a wife that was incapacitated with multiple sclerosis, so I had to make a living or starve. The interesting thing is, I would have jobs, get to a point where I started to become successful, and then quit, try something else. They actually diagnose that as a fear of success. If your parents didn't achieve something, there are many people who find that they don't want to go beyond their parents. So that's the emotional part of it. But why trading? Well, trading is competitive, and I've been a competitive person. I don't like to lose. And many of you are in that same situation. You're not completely happy with your career. You only live once, so why not go for the best? My secret was not trying to do it all by myself, but hiring some great coaches. And, we get a lot of lone wolves out there. People say, I want to do it myself. We're trained not to quit. But ask yourself this one question. How many great success stories do it by themselves? Mark Cuban doesn't run Mark Cuban Enterprises by himself. Warren Buffett even isn't a stock picker sitting at home day trading. These are people who capitalize on the strengths of others. So I've had really two great coaches. I started out when I was a police officer, career number 35, and again, there was a guy named Wells Wilder who's developing some very interesting systems. And I contacted him. And he started, we're talking about 40-year career. That's been just quite amazing. Linda Raschke also was a big influence in my career. So that's your challenge. Not just to get by and be comfortable, but to go beyond what your coaches can do. We have 3 great coaches in our business right now, and we offer you the chance to follow us. If you don't like it, quit. We're talking about 1 month of a trial. I guarantee that you're not going to find anything else like there, because we teach you the basis of what the institutions do. I blew the whistle on Wall Street in 1987. It was on the Jim Cramer show. Well, guess what? Wall Street won't hire me, but I still can teach you the things that they take advantage of, because the markets are manipulated. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the trading room.